Welcome to Janny Kids Ride.
Let's sing and learn today. Come along and sing with me. Janny's here with ducks to see. Count to 5 and quack along. It's time for our ducky song. Do-mong. 5 little ducklings went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducklings came back. Oh no, 1 little duck is missing. Let's keep counting. 4 little ducklings played near a tree. They splashed in the pond so happily. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducklings came back. Let's count together, 1, 2, 3. Where could the other ones be? 3 little ducklings had some fun, waddling around in the morning sun. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducklings came back. Oh dear, let's keep calling them quack, quack, quack. 2 little ducklings danced by the shore. They flapped their wings and waddled some more. Mama duck cried quack, 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 but only 1 little duckling came back. Now just 1. We need a big quack to bring them all back. 1 little duckling felt so small. He missed his friends and Mama most of all. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little ducklings came back. Oh no, where did everyone go? Happy end to recap. Far and wide she waddled fast with loving stride. She called out loud, quack, 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 quack. Then 2 little ducklings came running back. Yay, they're back. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducklings safe and sound, playing with Janny, splashing around. Quacks and hugs, a happy day. Come back soon for more rhymes to play. 5 little ducklings safe and sound, playing with Janny, splashing around. Quacks and hugs, a happy day. Come back soon for more rhymes to play.